This LEGO robot controls traffic, and it's based on an invention that saved thousands of lives. This robot is inspired by Garrett Morgan. In the early 1900s, traffic was dangerous and unpredictable. While driving through Cleveland one day, he witnessed a collision between a horse-drawn carriage and another vehicle at an intersection. This experience compelled Garrett to use his talents and skills to develop an invention that would improve the safety and welfare of his fellow citizens. Garrett Morgan invented an improved traffic signal that warned cars when to stop before it was too late. His idea made streets safer, and it's the reason we have traffic lights today. The real invention had to be easy to understand, control timing, and keep drivers and pedestrians safe. Morgan patented his three-way traffic signal in 1923. According to his patent, his hand-operated signal stopped traffic in all directions before the signal to proceed in any one direction is given. This allowed vehicles that were already in an intersection to safely pass through it without the risk of collision. He sold his patent rights for $40,000 to General Electric, and the company developed an electric version of his three-way signal. Our LEGO robot version uses a motor to rotate signals, a timer in the program to control traffic flow, and colors to show when it's time to stop or go. We also created a Spike Prime version that uses gears and a hand crank, just like the original invention. Here's your challenge. Can you build a traffic control robot? Something that gives 3 different signals to let traffic know if it's safe to go, if they should stop, and maybe if pedestrians can go out into the intersection. I can't wait to see what you come up with as your solution. This is part of our Black History LEGO Robotics Challenge. Tomorrow's robot might surprise you.